Back up and then go. Oh, you're late? Forgot. Just gonna wait. Oh my god. Just go around them.
Yeah, no more traffic. They were toasted.
She did not look happy at all.
She did not.
She was fucking toasted.
Yeah, they both looked high.
Show us flame.
God. Oh. Oh my god.
I love it.
That was badass.
We still live over here with power now?
Yeah.
I think I hear him all the time and now he's gonna bother.
That was bad. That was bad.
It's not as loud as the Miata.
Let me get on this side so I can see a little coal. I love it.
I don't like to take off.
I love it. Yep. You heading out too?
I guess. That's what you want that day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. What are you doing tomorrow?
I guess working on the truck first half of the day.
Yeah.
Before I go to work.
Alright.
I work tomorrow. Ain't no fun.
Well, I appreciate you coming over, helping, joining the YouTube channel. Shout out to Mickey.
Yeah.
Shout out Mickey.
Fucking Honda shit.
Yeah, someone left spinning. Mickey in the Civic. What you doing? What, the driver's side don't work? We all drive ship boxes, people. Y'all gotta bear with
Hey,
us.
this bitch was $90 3 years ago.
Shipbox Nation. Oh man. Well, I think that's the end of our YouTube videos tonight. Peace out, guys.